Hey there gamers, in this video I want to talk to you about how you can farm Abyssal Cells in Crimson Desert. So as you can see here, I have reached the farming stage at the Grey Main camp, and you can do this basically when you've managed to rescue this fella here, which is Camus. He is basically the resident farmer, and he will give you a quest whereby you can plant an apple tree to collect apples. But while you're doing that, you can also go ahead and plant abyssal trees. Now, in order to get abyssal trees, you need abyssal seeds. And in order to get abyssal seeds, you need abyss cells, which you can see are growing here. So for example, if I just take this one here, these can be found out in the open world. Now, you're able to get abyssal cells by fighting guys like this, which are the crabs that you are able to spot predominantly around bismuth ore. So for example, whenever we find bismuth ore, there is a chance that you get a big crab like this, and this is the crab that should drop the abyssal cells. So you can see here, for example, this crab just here has dropped an abyssal cell, so we can go ahead and loot that. The drop chance isn't always 100%, and you can find plenty of bismuth ore out in the open world. But then when you've gone and looted yourself an abyssal cell, all you need to do is go ahead and open it up, and that will give you the abyssal seed. Once you've got an abyssal seed, we can then go ahead and plant it. Back at the farm, in order to plant the seeds, all we need to do is go ahead, open our inventory, select the seed that we want to plant, go ahead and use it, and then what you will do is you'll find a seed spot just here on the farm, and then all you need to do is go ahead and plant it. And then I would say give it about 3 to 4 in-game days, and then eventually you will start to get your trees producing abyssal cells. In total, the farm has the capacity to support up to 12 trees, so you could have, if you wanted, 12 trees in total producing abyssal cells for you, which is more than you'd ever need. The cells themselves are also a decent source of coin. If we just have a look here, you can actually see that each one of these sells for 380 each. So if you weren't using them all, you could just go ahead and vend them, and they will sell for far more than any fruit trees. But that just about wraps it up for how you can farm abyssal cells in Crimson Desert. I really hope that this tutorial helps, guys. Please do drop a like and subscribe if it did. It really helps the channel grow, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Thanks for watching.